Okay, let's start with the third part of this tutorial. So what I'll do now is, maybe let's start with the exit first. I'm gonna close that and maybe come right down here somewhere. Yeah, right underneath here. Let's declare the following. I'm going to use the following function. I'll call it iExit, and iExit column. That is my function right there. So iExit equals message box, just like we have in Visual Basic, but it's a little bit different. Dot ask yes no. Okay, just right there. Then let me enter the name of my project there. So I'm just gonna call it vehicle trading system. Close that, comma, confirm if you want to exit. Right, that's the question there. So let's close this up. You can see those ones were already highlighted because they are reserved word, but since the quote is there, has taken care of. So let's come in here and use an if statement. If iExit less than or equals to 0, root, that is the name of my app, root dot destroy, right there, column, and then we enter return here. Let's enter return there. Okay, now you see this iExit. I'm now going to add it to my exit. So what I'll do is, let's go for where I have exits. Yeah, there we go, right here. I can just add it there. So we'll say command equals iExit, which means that very button should call that function. So let's try it. Okay, we have an error. Let's see what the error is all about. We were supposed to enter a column there, right? So let's try it again. Our root. Now, unexpected indentation. Okay, that ought to have been indented. Indent, and we indent this as well. Let's save and run. Alright, let's give that a try. Yeah, there we go. No, we don't want to exit. Confirm if you want to exit, and the vehicle trading system. Yes, we want to exit. There. So that is how you create your exit. I'm going to copy one of these. Copy, paste it right here. That's one function done. So let's just enter exit there. Right. Okay, exit is taken care of. Okay, since we've taken care of this exit, alright, so I think we should take care of the resets. But to achieve the resets, you see all of these variables here. There's one more actually, or two more of those. Let me name another one, GPS. Okay, GPS equals as follows as well. Yeah, and this will become GPS. Let's change this one because we already have the letter there. So that's GPS. Good. Alright, let's give them all a value. So I'm going to set them to, let's just copy it and change it around. paste it there and just come in here. So that's going to be dot set, and that will become 0. Okay, so I repeat the same thing for the others. So let's just copy this and paste it here. That's giving them all a value of 0. Alright, so if I compile and run, save, compile, run, let's see, I should have zeros. Can you see that, guys? I have zeros in there. So the initial values are 0, so I should have initial value as 0 for these ones as well. So let's, okay, that should be cost of car and travel. So that is number 3, I think. No, number 2. That is number 2 in here. Number 2. Okay, I'm going to change that to something readable. Okay, now let's run it again. So I'm talking about these 2 now. Okay, alright, let's come down. Number 2, we need the 2 text box in there. There they are. So change that to cost of car. And the other one is mileage, car mileage. Okay, let's copy this, paste it there, paste this here, and dot set equals 0. Dot set equals 0 as well. Alright, so here this is going to be for mileage, this very one. Change this variable to mileage and change the other one here, this one, that will be cost. Okay, that is it right there. It's going to now be cost of the car, right? So those 2 are sorted as well. So if I run it, let's see, there we go. So they have zeros in them as well. So only when I select any of these will that change. Okay, so now that those are taken care of, let's write a function so that we can reset this to zeros. So we go up here, okay, right underneath here. Let me put my function here. I'm going to copy this, paste that in there. Okay, and let's call this reset. Okay, function or definition resets. Okay, what I want to reset will be as follows. Indent. So let me just copy all of those here. Copy all of this so I don't have to reinvent the wheel and paste it there. I have to indent this. And the other ones, these 2 here, bring them here, there. Okay, and I now need this. I must be able to call that inside my reset button. I think the reset is somewhere here. There we go. No, it's down here, I think. Resets right there. So that's going to be command equals reset. Okay, so you will not notice anything in the command because this semicolon is in there. Right. Let's do that again. You won't notice anything because the reset only adds 0. But supposing, just to prove that to you that it works, let's make it double zeros. And look at what's going to happen now. So when I click on the reset button, there guys, you see the reset works. So I'm going to repeat the same thing for all of these. Just add a variable to all of these and we can reset it as well. So the reset is working. So let's get rid of those zeros that we added. Good. Okay, we need to declare more variables for this very one. So I'm going to go to frame number 1, this very frame here. All of this should have variables for name, address, phone number. So let's come in here somewhere, number 1. There we go. So I have their own variables. So I'm going to copy as name, address. Yeah, they're all there. So I'm going to copy all of these and I'll paste them right in here and reset is going to be clear. Let's clear it. So that is for the customer's details. There. So if I run it, now you will see how the reset works. And let's enter some data in there. Then address. And postcode, telephone number. Okay, so if I click on reset, there. Okay, this one are using the same variables, that's why you see them there. So I need to change those ones. Okay, so they all works, that's fine. So let's change the variable here. This one works, this works as well. So we need to change this. That is number 4. Let's go to frame number 4. Okay, there we go. And in here I'm going to declare the following variable. Let me just copy this first. So inside frame number 4, I think we have about 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's run it again. Yeah, we only have 5 really. And the first one is VAT, followed by discounts, and we have the tax itself. We have subtotal and total. Right, those are my variables there, and this one that will become VAT. This will become discounts. Take it down. Then this is my tax. We have subtotal. Then we have total. Right, those are the 5 variables set there, so I'm gonna copy those and clear it. So let's come straight to my resets here, paste and clear. So that is the reset for those objects on frame 4, the 4th frame. Right, that's fine. So if I run it now and enter data here, and here as well, so click on reset. There we go, guys. Okay, so the reset is working. Oh, what about this? I need to reset this as well. Okay, for the resets, let's take care of that. I think the name of the reset is somewhere down here. Yeah, I'll copy all of that. Also, there's a different way of deleting or clearing the content in the reset. So you come right here, you say dot, that'll be dot delete. Open a bracket, 1.0, close that, comma, end there. So hopefully that should do it. So I'm going to save and run it. Let's give that a try. Enter some data in there. There we go, guys. You see that? Alright. So reset there. So that's fine. Okay, the other thing we need to do is we should be able to reset those checkbox, which we cannot do right now. Okay, what I'm gonna do is let's look for where they are. That should be on number 3, frame 3. Right here. We have frame 3 here. There they are. So let's find some variable for them. I'm going to have to use this. I'm going to have to use these variables. First thing first. Okay, because I've already used 2 here, so let me just change this one to the value of 6, and here will be 7. So I'm going to have copy all of those and just change this one to 6 and 7 here. 6, 7, maybe 8, 9. So inside number 3 I need the following. Paste, and we need one more there. So number 5. Okay, instead of using string, I'm going to change this to integer. Int, and this one int as well. Let's copy. Okay. Now right in here I'm going to declare each variable. So let's come into each checkbox here. So let's create a room for it in here. Yeah, comma, variable equals value 1. So that is the very first one. So I can just copy that. Let's give that to, yeah, that's fine. The next one is the stereo. Let's copy it again. This will be value 2. And number 3 here. We have number 4 and 5. Okay, for this checkbox, one other thing is, I think we might need some more rooms here, because let's enter on value. Let's make that equals 1, and of value equals 0. Right. So that I'll be able to use my reset button for that. So let's copy that. I'm gonna come in here, paste that in here. There's not enough room, so press enter. Okay. Repeat the same thing for this one. Press enter and paste. And this as well. There. So all of the checkbox we should be able to check and uncheck. Okay, I will now go to my reset function here. Okay, there, let's say variable 1.set, make that 0. There, that is 1. I'm going to copy that. 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6 and 7 as well. 2, 3, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, let's make sure we have the off and on for the other one. Copy that. Let's come right down here. I think that's number 4 right here. Take that off. Oh no, that's wrong. Undo. Right here. Yeah, that's a checkbox here. Go for, okay, I'm gonna go for 9 there. Alright, no problem. Let's copy all of this here. Copy everything here and take it right down here. VAT, comma, paste. That will be, we can call that maybe 8. And discounts. We'll call that 9. So we don't have 9. Yeah, we do. Alright, that's fine. Okay, so let's try it out now. If I check these ones, I can uncheck. That is fine. But this one, This two needs to be unchecked at runtime. Okay, to get that sorted, let's copy this. They are meant to be integer. Right. Okay, there is 2 here. I'm going to move these 2. Let's copy it. Let's put them where they're meant to be so that I don't get confused. Right there. Okay, let's run it again. Right. This one we default to 0, but I will have to take those off. Reset. Okay, the reset for this is not on yet. Let's come in here. There. That's 8 and 9. Okay, let's come down here. The combo box. That is in number 2. There we go. This one 6. I'm going to take them off for now. And where is the other one? And the first one. This is the second one. Take it off for now. I'll come back to that when I'm ready to deal with that. That's fine. So with that, guys, I'm going to call it the end of the third part of this tutorial.